Where did we wake up today? Oh, look! It's Riley!
Hi.
And we woke up next to the ocean. Hello, adventurers, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we start our epic Oregon coast trip. I'm super excited. This is going to be one of the coolest times ever on the channel because we're gonna get to see so many amazing things, and I can't wait to share them with you. We woke up in this nice parking area on the side of the highway with this view. Oh my gosh, this view. Are you loving the ocean? Are you loving it? You look pretty happy with this little sunspot that you found, buddy. I have everything put into driving mode, and there's a couple things in here that I need to do sometime whenever we get to a campsite. I need to restuff my pillows because I've been putting my clothes in my pillows that are extra clothes. And at the Mountain House retreat, I used several of the things that were in this one specifically, so it's real lumpy right now. But I will be restuffing that. I have my window board right here. This is for whenever I plug in my actual air conditioner. This is a good place for it to stay because it keeps it safe because it's made out of this nice foam insulation board. But then also I need to take out my trash, so we're gonna have to find a place to do that. And all in all, I think we're ready to go. Riley.
What?
Okay, are you ready to go?
I'm so ready to go.
We're about to have some fun, aren't we?
Yeah.
A work day, yay! Be at home saying you're on the Oregon coast, why are you making a work day? But I definitely think that it's important to stick with your routine, and both Riley and I need to get videos ready for you guys so that you'll have some content so we don't miss out. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that we do this first, and then we get to get on to all the adventures to share all of the other cool things. I did, however, put myself together. This is one of my shirts, Life is Better in a Van, and right now, oh my gosh, with this view, absolutely, yes it is. Drove into town. We tested out our walkie-talkies a little bit, which if you're interested in, please go check out the video about our walkie-talkies. This is how we're going to be communicating while we're in the Pacific Northwest, because from car to car there might not be service, so we want to make sure that we can communicate still. So we did a little testy poo. It's a work day, so of course we're testing things. But now we are at the Safeway. We're going to go pick up some groceries to get us through the next couple of days, and I'm looking forward to this because I love me a good Safeway. Now remember guys, anytime that I come to a Safeway, I always tell you, if you can, sign up for their discount card because you get discounts on your groceries but also on your gas. This one does not have a gas pump, but we're still building those points for that discount. So yeah, we're gonna be checking out with our membership. Safeway time. In the store, we have a debate. Riley.
Could you get customer assistance at the service desk, please? Brad, customer assistance at the service desk.
Somebody help that guy. Somebody help him. So I found these minis, and we really like these Starlights. They taste like space, so we're thinking we want them, but also we're trying not to drink sodas. Best summer ever is hard. It needs caffeine. Groceries are shopped for now. Now Riley's gonna lead us to the Starbucks. She's been hanging out here for a couple days. She already knows the lay of the land, so this is gonna be great. Have some good old Wi-Fi at Starbucks. Knock, knock. What are you gonna do now, Riley?
Okay, there's a rec center right around here. I think they do like 8-minute get showers for like 4 quarters or something. I don't know.
Sweet.
I'm gonna go take a shower and then I come back and meet you here.
Sweet. I'm gonna go get some coffee and work. Woohoo! For those divide and conquer days where we have a lot of stuff that we both need to do, but at the same time we don't want to miss out on activities, so we just kind of cram them all into one day. Yeah, that's today. Okay, so this is my office of the day. You can see I'm working on putting a video out for you guys. I picked up my nice little cold brew, and yeah, Wi-Fi is always good here. All days can be super crazy adventure days. Sometimes we have to sit down and just do our job. And if you can find a job that you can do remotely, you could do this too. Starbucks is a great place to office from. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back to work. I'll check back with you guys whenever I'm closer to finished or whenever Riley gets back, whichever comes first. We have been here for a while, but it takes some time sometimes, and that's the part of the YouTube that you guys don't see often, is all this stuff right here, where we're sitting here both staring at screens trying to figure out, you know, all of the editing aspect. But we're almost finished up here, and then we're going to be driving off to our next location. Now I'm going to share the beautiful views of the night because the coast is gorgeous, and I can't wait to share. Oh my gosh, this morning was pretty. The evening, it's gonna blow your mind. But I got a little bit more to work on here. I'm trying to get one video uploaded, and yeah, that's pretty much life on the road. We finished up in Starbucks. Riley's organizing. I am taking my trash out. Yeah, this is real. Your trash can. Hi, you want some trash? Ty. Hi, buddy. Hi, you're being such a good boy. So today there were a few things that worked and a few things that didn't. Riley could not find a shower today. It just happens that way sometimes. It is what it is.
I mean, I'm okay. I got about 2 more days left.
Yeah. I mean, that's why you have multiple ways that you can shower or get clean. And so I do have shower cloths that she can use if she needs them. But we did accomplish work. I'm proud of us.
Yeah.
Yay! And now we're gonna accomplish some gas. Now, gas has been an interesting moment on this trip. I have noticed that gas has gone up and down. Of course, when I left Texas, it was like $3.89, and West Coast had not got the memo whatsoever. But here it is $4.89. So even though it's $1 higher, it's way cheaper than every other place that I've seen. So we're about to go and get some gas and then head back to our campsite so you guys can see the beautiful coast at night. Something kind of interesting here in Oregon, you do not pump your own gas, somebody else does. So I pulled into the gas pump and now we're just waiting. This is a good time for us to make sure that we're both turned on, and then also to make sure we don't need anything else. Now we did pretty good on supplies this morning, so now we're just gonna put this in the cup holder. Crossing over that bridge, we caught our very first person who was on the same channel as us, and they were talking about getting off work. So both Riley and I were like, what is going on? And you forget that walkies are just like CBs. You can have anybody on the channel at any given time listening to what you're saying, so don't ever say anything too crazy on a walkie-talkie. Okay guys, we made it to our campsite, and well, it's time to eat. So we're gonna go ahead and set up shop and get settled, and then I'll show you what the views look like. I appreciate you guys coming along for this adventure today. Even though it was a little bit less than a traditional kind of adventure, it's reality when you're on the road. You have to be able to adapt to keeping a routine and then also doing the things that you gotta do, even though you live in a van. And that sometimes means a good old work day. Sometimes it means you have to go and find a shower and then it doesn't work out. But in reality, it's still well worth it because I wouldn't trade this for anything. I've had a wonderful time for the last 5 years traveling, and I hope you've enjoyed coming along with me for not only today, but some of those adventures. If you have, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe, and check out tomorrow's adventure because it's gonna be a really, really good one. Till next time, guys, bye!